Alright guys, this next place is called Peros Köy. Wow, that's pretty good. So you can literally come out here, get your suntan, get your chair, get your towel, and you can have an amazing time here. Alright guys, so welcome to Anadolu Kavgai. This is the ferry station right here. You can take it from Eminönü to here. How was the ice cream?
Yeah, mine's Oreo and chocolate.
Oreo and chocolate. Anybody want a piece? No. She's saying subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching my birthday. Mariam, what are you doing?
Curry, orange.
Happy cheese, happy cheese.
And then up.
What? Sira. Alright guys, this next place is called Peros Köy, which is right next to the third bridge in Istanbul. This is literally like a little tiny village right at the coastline of the third bridge and then the Black Sea going out to Ukraine, Russia, Romania. So this is starting to become a very, very popular area. So we're lucky to be able to find a spot here. So we're gonna have lunch, have some food, have amazing views, and this place at nighttime looks even better. I've been here at night. I was here last year at nighttime. This place literally was amazing, amazing views. And you're right on the beach. Mariam, you cold? You're cold? You sure? You're cold? Marwa, you cold? Fine. You what? Fine. You're fine? You're fine? Sarah, what do you think about the view? It's amazing. It's amazing? You warm? You got cars on the beach over there. Mariam, what are you doing? She's saying subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching my birthday. Thank you for watching my birthday. Go cheese, go cheese. Nada. Pretty? Pretty? Alright guys, so the fish is here finally. So let me show it to you. There you go. Definitely pretty interesting fish. Sarah, this is the first time we're having a fish like this, huh? It's gonna be really good or really bad? Let's go. Alright, where do I start, Sarah? In the mouth? Whoa. So where's the fish? Is this the fish? It's like it's fried fish. Wow, that's pretty good. That's really good. Like fish and shrimp combined. This one's for you guys right there. All right guys, so we just finished our lunch. Lesson learned, ask very specifically if it's grilled or fried. We got fried fish, which we're not a fan of. So lesson learned, it is what it is. It wasn't bad. It was okay actually for fried food. But if you can help it when you come here towards the end of the day so you can see the sunset. Look at that. Another thing, guys, we're here in November, so this is the week of Thanksgiving, and it's it's windy, it's a bit chilly, but if you're here warmer months, this is a public beach. So you can literally come out here, get your suntan, get your chair, get your towel, and you can have an amazing time here. And of course, one of the cool things here in Turkey and a lot of places is you can have a public park for families. So this is right on the beach, and this is free of charge. Open to everyone. And these are your self-exercise machines. Very, very popular in Turkey. And you got some amazing views. Pretty good view? Yeah? Alright guys, so welcome to Anadolu Kavgai. This is the ferry station right here. You can take it from Eminönü to here. This is pretty much the last ferry stop in Istanbul. Now when it comes to fish, you have two places you can go to. You have Eminönü, where you can go for some fresh fish, or you can come here, which is our new favorite place for fresh fish. Everything here is all about fish. So jump on a ferry boat at Eminönü. It'll take you about maybe an hour, give or take, to get you over here, and then enjoy the experience and go back to the hotel. So with that said, let's go check out the bazaar and let's go check out the restaurants. So one of our newest favorite places now is right behind me. It's called Tarihi Kafkas Dondurmacı. He has 56 flavors for ice cream, including hot sauce, garlic, salt. I mean, just crazy flavors. And the hot sauce, it choked me up. Like, it got me good. I couldn't breathe for a couple seconds. But when you come here, definitely check out this place. It's been here since the 80s. It's one of the original stores. Amazing customer service, amazing selection of ice cream. Definitely try the hot sauce one. I'm allergic to garlic, so I can't do the garlic one, but that one he says is pretty popular too.
Merak ettiğinizi test edebilirsiniz. Toplamda 56. Abi reklamı yapabilirsek de 56 çeşit.
Yeah.
Dönüşte bekleriz.
56 flavors.
Yes.
56 sour, sweet, everything.
Handmade.
Yeah, free. Aldo? Good?
It's sparkling.
Spark, can I have taste?
Yeah.
Very sparkly.
Here, sparkling.
How was the ice cream?
Yeah. Mine's Oreo and chocolate.
Oreo and
Mine's
chocolate?
blue.
Yours is blue, yeah.
You
Green
want-
and blue.
You want to eat?
I'm okay, thank you.
I want to try it. Try mine.
Good? Here's the history of it right here. Anadolu Kavgai. The most important source of history. All right, so how do you know which place to go to? This one versus the one on the beach. The one on the beach is more private. It's pretty much nobody there for the most part. It's very relaxed. It's definitely the view. Over here by the ferry station, it's more live. You got a bazaar, you got a lot of people. So it's definitely more live, more excitement here. Sada's having another fish sandwich. You don't like the first one, Sada? No. No?
Look my auntie did.
Okay, hurry up and finish it. It's melting. Grilled fish here. You have fried fish. You have mussels. You have tiny fish. All right, guys, so we got the waffle strawberry special. Let me show it to you. Kids are excited, so I have to be quick or they're gonna eat me and the strawberry. Maria, do you like the
Auntie, my favorite.
strawberry your favorite?
And my favorite food is cherry, cherry, orange, nut.
Okay, pomegranate. Okay. Sarah, how was the fish sandwich?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yes,
Salavi.
it's very delicious.
First bite, Baba.
Yeah. And little fish.
There we go. Anybody want a piece? No.
And our one, not either. It's our one, not either.
That's really good. Really, really good.
Okay.
All right, you guys can have it. Here you go. Come from there. So we just ate, we just paid for the check at the ice cream place. We had 4 fish sandwich, 2 coffees, 1 tea, 1 soda drink, 1 whole plate of strawberry with waffles. So we had all that and it was for 195 lira, which is 10 US dollars. By far the cheapest place we've ate, the best place we've had, and the best customer service. So if you're here, definitely come by and check it out. You will not be disappointed.
Exactly.
Yeah, what, Mariam? Mariam had strawberries and waffles, she's happy. All right, folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.